Hello everyone, hope everyone is well. This is just a little video update. What we're going to be talking about today is why you should never try and spray your car at home or with a can. I say that because I have tried, and I've tried on the door, and as you can see, it just doesn't come out the same. Paint's faded already. It's just different colour to the rest of the car. Colour wise, it came out similar colour, but it's never gonna look exactly the same. So I did that purely because of, if we go back to this time last year, I bought myself an AutoX front bumper, got it resprayed. The respray and the people that did do it to my car did make my bumper have damage to it. The damage was with the DA. As you can see, I don't know if you can see all the DA markings there. DA is like a sander that they use. This was a brand new bumper, unnecessary to sand it. They sanded it and damaged it. There's some little hair particles in it as well. There's a hair particle. Where is it? Can I find out the camera? There it is. More DA markings. So now I have to get this resprayed, which I'm going to be getting done on Monday. Let's do a more there. Because of the damage that was done to my bumper, I took upon myself to try and spray the door. Now, doing so, I have messed up the door quite badly. They had to sand it down to bare metal because my paint might react to their paint, and so I'm happy with them doing so. So yeah, this Monday the car's gonna get resprayed. Color wise, I'm not sure what color I'm gonna go for. He's also gonna do a bit of work on my rear bumper, which is miscolored as well, as you can see. Looks like cracks at the back that I need fixing from the previous owner. And yeah, so this video is like a little update on why you shouldn't spray your car yourself. An update that I'm going to be getting it resprayed on Monday, and you guys will see the before and after with the new paint. Okay, so I'm going to carry on this in the next video. Okay, welcome back guys. As you saw in the pictures between the first video and now, that was the progress of getting the car sprayed. This is the end result. Front bumper all fixed, no more DA markings on it. The only thing, he did a really good job matching the paint. The only thing I would say is that when you respray metallic paint to original body, if the body paint does not blend in as nicely. So if you're gonna get it resprayed, you have to get everything blended in, or just get everything resprayed. That's the front door, but I decided to do myself. Can't even notice that there was like anything on it before. It looks good, it blends in nice. The blending defenders in, and we go to the back. The back's perfect. Look at that. Nothing. So yeah, that's what the car's looking like. That's just like a little update as well. I'm gonna post some pictures